Next, we will add the holes into our part. Remember, our origin is in the upper left corner. The X numbers are positive, while the Y numbers are negative. Keep this straight. These holes will be 1032 UNC threaded holes, so the drill size is 0.1772. We will go down 0.2 deeper than the threads. Keep your drawing handy so you know the XY locations of the holes. From the solids ribbon, pick the hole tool. Set the diameter, depth, and counterbore diameters. Pick the auto cursor position tool and type the XY locations of the first hole. Press enter and notice the point on your part. Type the XY values for the next hole. Repeat until you have all the hole points placed. Pay careful attention to your numbers. It's easy to make a mistake. Examine the points for your holes, then press enter twice to complete the hole tool. Step 2 of 3 is finished.